Ano nga ba ang ginagawa ng hotel assistant?
1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please click the subscribe button. Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, I'm Eugene and I'm working on a cruise ship. And today we are gonna be talking about hotel assistant position. To start with, hotel assistant position is an entry-level position, guys. So on board, ito ay isa sa mga pinakamababang positions for hotel department, and hotel assistant is like the utility level or yung entry level position for hotel assistant. So it's either you can be assigned in housekeeping department or you can also be assigned in F&B department. Now, if you will be assigned in housekeeping department, you will probably be working in public areas or crew areas. Yun. And if you will be assigned in F&B department, then you will be working in the galley, inside the galley. So if you will be working in the galley under the F&B department, so what you are going to do normally is you will be washing plates, pots, pans. Before we call it food and beverage assistant. Yan yung naging position ko before, but now they call it hotel assistant in hotel department. But if you will be assigned in housekeeping, then you will be probably be working in public areas, like you will be cleaning this specific area, like in crew areas. So you will more likely like mopping, dusting, hovering, then etc. So marami pang iba. And well, as per the company, hotel assistants, you can be rotated, or we can be rotated every 3 months. So let's just say 3 months na ako sa F&B department, then they will transfer me to the housekeeping department, and I will work there in housekeeping department for 3 months until the end of my contract. So 3 months, and normally the contract we have on board is 10 months. Possible or probably you will be rotated thrice in one contract. But what is happening now on board is that nagiging 4 months, may times na din na nagiging 6 months. So depende kasi yan sa the manager, or you know, the people above. So naging depende na siya sa managers if they want this crew member to be transferred in that specific department. Kasi magiging ano din, mag-sacrifice din yung that specific department, especially if yung crew member na yan is magaling sa ganitong area, ganito, ganyan. So that actually depends. Hotel assistant only applies to this specific company, and but compared to the other companies or to the other cruise ships, I think that this is the only company that does rotation every 3 months. So because normally before walang rotation na nangyayari. Ngayon lang siya nag-implement. That was actually implemented last year. I think this is the only company that does rotation every 3 months, compared to the other cruise ships na they are actually doing the normal, the normal thing, which is kung F&B ka lang talaga, and if you are housekeeping ka lang talaga, which is good naman, diba? Yun. So if you like this video, please click the like button, and once again, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. If you know someone who wants to work in a cruise ship, please share this video. And we are overnight here in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. So we will be sailing tomorrow 12 noon, and we'll hope to see you soon then. See you sa next port, guys. Ciao.